Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we're talking about a bird that has a very interesting way of catching food. The greatest sand-plover. The greatest sand-plover is a small wadey in the plover family of birds. Medium-sized plover with a long, hefty bill. It breeds in the semi-deserts of Turkey and eastwards through Central Asia. This species is strongly migratory, wintering on sandy beaches in East Africa, South Asia and Australasia. Breeding adults have a dark mask and orangish chest, neck and forehead. Females duller than males. Non-breeding birds and immatures are sandy brown above and white below, with a white throat and eyebrows. Breeds in high elevation areas where it favors arid, open habitats, sometimes near water. Winters on coastal mudflats and estuaries. Its food consists of insects, crustaceans and annelid worms, which are obtained by a run and a pause technique rather than the steady probing of some other wader groups. Their calls are like locally named Rajavali Olevia. I have not seen the greatest sand-plover. It is a coastal bird. One of the most popular beaches in Sri Lanka is Bentota Beach. If this golden beach is not good enough, next to it is the Bentota River flowing into the sea. And in this river, you can do many water sports, including jet skiing, water skiing, banana boat rides, tube rides, and many more.